Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another update on our project in Weston, Missouri. Right now, we are pretty much finished underneath the crawl space underneath the home. If you remember our earlier videos, we had that opening right about here. And when we started, we had removed the existing cinder block little walkway down to the crawl space. We got that all removed. You can see the area that we excavated here. The first week we started was for the homeowners wanted to get a room addition built on here. So to do that, we had to excavate down, and then once it gets approved, we will be coming back here to get our, there's basically three concrete portions of the remainder of this project. That is the concrete footings, the concrete floor, and then the foundation walls. So right now we're just waiting on the city up here to get those plans approved. Our initial project was King Pier 2's underneath the stone foundation. We finished all that up last week. You can see here we got everything raised up, and still gonna try to get a little dirt here on top of that, just so we get that concrete covered. But we did that on both sides of the house here. Right in front, we had some of the stone was broken, jutting out. We got that all repaired up and patched. Still got a little bit more to do. Let that concrete dry. And you can see here we have the holes covered up there. And then underneath the crawl space, we, as you saw from our earlier videos, we were raising up the floor joists, the floor, particularly in the kitchen and towards the front of the house, was sinking. So we had to add new floor joists. There were spaces underneath the floor that just didn't have any kind of floor joists, so we added a whole lot of wood there, and used our the same hydraulic bottle jacks that we use on the piers. We use those in conjunction with 6x6 treated wood support beams, and we were able to raise that floor back up, and it was very tight fit, so there was a lot of digging just to be able to have access to the entirety of the crawl space below the floor. But we got everything raised back up and got everything finished up. So right now we are simply just waiting to hear back whether or not they'll get that approval for the room addition, and if they do, we'll come back in, do those three concrete projects: the footings, the floor, and then the foundation walls. If not, then we'll simply come back in here, build up a new cinder block wall right here. We're going to change the where the opening was for the crawl space. Initially it was right around there. I believe they want it more towards this corner, so we'll get that going. So either way, we still have a little bit more to do. We're just waiting to see what happens. So either way, we'll be back up here in Weston probably in a week or so. But we wanted to make sure we got the crawl space and everything finished up before we leave. We're gonna, of course, make sure that we get all the dirt walls here properly shored up and good to go. So stay tuned for more updates on this project. You can find them on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And, of course, you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.